What's up guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be doing this Aztec Clay Mask in my hair. I did this on like my hair when it was like longer and it was color damaged and all of that, but I didn't get the true effects of it because my hair was color damaged. So now that I recently chopped all of my hair off, we're gonna be trying it again to see if it works a little better. So I do believe you're supposed to do this mask on wet hair. My hair is not wet. It's freshly detangled out of some crochet yarn twist. I'll insert some pictures so you can see what it was looking like. I did it by myself. If you guys want a video on that, I definitely can get that out for you. But I'm gonna go make the mask first and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. So yeah, let's go make this mask. So I'm back now. I finished making the thing. You saw it. I do know you're supposed to do this with wet hair, so I do have a spray bottle. All that's next is to just apply it. So I'm going to part the back of my hair off. Okay, like barely fits in a ponytail, but yeah. I'm gonna take my spray bottle and wet my hair. So I'm gonna take some of the mask and about that much, and we're just gonna, so far, even though you know the mask is like wet, it kind of feels like it's drying my hair, but it kind of felt like that the last time I did it, so that's not very shocking. It did define my curls the last time I did it, so hopefully it does this time. But this is what it's looking like. I wish I could see it, but it's not long enough. So I'm just gonna go ahead and speed up the rest of the process and I'll like tell you guys when I'm done. Okay, so I finished putting it in my hair. It literally feels disgusting. Like it's like my hair is like mummified right now. So I think I want to put it on my face as well, so we're gonna do that. So I'm gonna make a little bit more because I literally used all of it. Okay, so now that I have it all over my face, I'm gonna come back when it's all dry and we're gonna rinse it off. Okay, so it's basically dry. I can't move my face and my hair is literally crusty. So we're gonna go wash this out like right now because I can't even move my face. Here we are in this bathroom yet again, the one with the really loud exhaust fan, but we're about to wash this off. So I look at gnome right now. But yeah, I have my hair in here. I haven't touched it. I don't know where my hair went, but I'm going to show you up close in the light. Okay, so as you can see, it made my hair super defined. Like, what? I really don't know how I feel about this, honestly. I don't really wear my hair out enough to actually like it, but I think it did its job. Some of my curls are defined, some of them aren't. I don't know if I kind of messed it up because I did wrap my hair in a towel, and people say don't wrap your hair in a towel, they say t-shirt, but I grabbed the towel by accident. Well, I did it on purpose, but now that I think about it, I'm gonna call it an accident. Okay, so I'm back now. I went through and did my wash day routine, which consists of some type of conditioner. I don't know, this is the first time I'm using this conditioner, and probably the last, because look how white it is. Like, that looks gross, but I still really don't like the way this looks. I kind of just chopped my hair off so that it could be healthier and I could just keep it in weaves and stuff, but I don't feel like the mask really did anything. I mean, it did define my curls a little bit when I first washed my hair, but as of right now, it looks exactly the same as it normally would. This part of my hair never curls. I don't know why, but yeah, I completely forgot that I put it on my face. This is what my skin looks like. I really need to stop picking those, but yeah, I really don't see a difference in my hair or my skin, so I don't know, maybe I did it wrong. I don't know, maybe I didn't leave it in long enough. I don't know. Hopefully you enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.